And the other things, if you need it, you should know how to look for those things. Whenever you need them, go refer them and use it. Now, there are a lot of things. How can we remember them all? You don't have to remember it.
Hi everyone, I'm Ron from Let's Upgrade, and today we have Abhishek sir. He is our full stack trainer at Let's Upgrade. So sir, my first question is, what all are your achievements and your experiences?
I have been teaching for last 3 to 4 years. Okay. Initially, I started teaching computer science to kids, where I gained a lot of confidence that yes, I can teach to BTech students and all that. Then I moved to BTech students. So from the last 2 years, I am teaching BTech students. I have taught in number of institutes. And of course, I'm teaching in Let's Upgrade. I have taught in Newton School. I have taught in Upgrade. I have taught in Edureka and all these institutes. Okay, there are some more institutes here and there. Okay, but in general, so I have taught basically Monstack and data structures. This is my teaching experience. Apart from this, my professional experiences, I have worked with various startups for like 2 to 3 years, and currently I'm working as a full stack developer in Microsoft.
Wow, you're working in Microsoft. That is a big deal. So sir, my next question is, what is your teaching methodology?
Let's suppose it's a 6-month course. For the first few months course, I focus on JavaScript, so their coding is very much clear. After that, HTML, CSS, React, and Node.js is not a difficult thing for you guys. The only thing that you should be focused on is fundamentals. Rest thing will fall apart. And other things like JavaScript is a thing which will not change. Other things that are there like React or Node.js can change upon time. You can move to different frameworks. So always focus on the fundamentals.
Well, the next question is, if a student comes with a doubt, so what is your way to tackle that?
So this is my general suggestion. Whenever you get a doubt, don't directly say, sir, there is a problem in this. Send me a screenshot of the error. This is a problem. This is the error I am getting. Send me the error so I can look over the error and I can explain it. So my aim is like slowly help the student to figure their own doubts. If you look at the error, of course, it is not possible for me to know the error always. If I have already got that error, then of course I can help you. Or I help them to search that error on internet and find if they get into such error, how could they solve it. So generally, either I explain it on the WhatsApp if it is possible, or in the next session, I have for the first 5-10 minutes, I have a doubt session, or at the end of the session, I have a doubt session. In Let's Upgrade, a special option, we can have a 1-to-1 connect and solve their doubts. Basically, they don't know how to read the error. So that takes some time to read the error, right? But so read the error and basically understand it. So after a few tries, they are basically able to do it.
Yeah, initially this problem happens, but once they are going along with it, they understand, okay, this is the problem, how to tackle it, I'm getting to understand. That is why you are there. So Abhishek sir, are there any tips for our viewers who are ready to become a full stack programmer?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So step number 1, the people generally have a confusion in a batch. Like I was teaching a batch like a while ago, and a student asked me, sir, there's a lot of things in HTML, there's a lot of things in CSS, how do I learn it? Step number 1, forget about this mugging habit. And the other things, if you need it, you should know how to look for those things. Whenever you need them, go refer them and use it. Now, there are a lot of things. How can we remember them all? You don't have to remember it. Know how the things basically work on an overview. When you need a particular thing, go and refer it and use it. So if you do this process number of times, of course, you will remember it.
So sir, how does it feel to nurture a student who is a beginner to a job-ready programmer?
Yeah, see, for me, why I enjoy this process, there are basically 2 reasons why I first of all love teaching and especially programming. Because I started programming from standard 9. I was in ICSE syllabus, basically standard 8, but I did not realize that it was coding. So when I explain them, I really feel good that, yeah, at a time, I was not able to understand those concepts and I am able to explain them. So they are able to get it. But the only issue is sometimes students don't do their assignment and all that, so they lag. So if you do a proper assignment and the proper way that I teach, okay, I don't think you need anything else. That will be sufficient for you to become a full stack developer. And when you become a full stack developer, of course, you are happy. I'll be more happy because my students are growing. I have a very rich community that time.
So what was your motivation to become a trainer?
Maybe, I don't know if genetic works in this way. My grandfather was a teacher. His father was a teacher. Every family member is a teacher or was a teacher except my father. Okay. He also got an opportunity to teach, but he did not went in that line because everyone was in that line. So I guess something, maybe genetic is there. So I wanted to teach from the very start.
Might be your environment helped you to become a trainer and the motivation comes from that thing.
Yeah, I guess so.
Sir, we know a student's perspective, what they want from the institute or the trainer. What do you expect from a student?
Basically, there are few things just I expect from the student. Step number one is like, see, of course, I understand it's not possible to complete the things per day that is taught in the class, okay, which becomes difficult. You have your work and all that. But I expect you don't delay more than a week. Whatever has been taught, whatever assignments has been given, whatever things have been told you to, like there will be usually teacher will recommend you to read something. Please try to cover that in that particular week. Generally, what happens, every topic is linked to the previous topic. So for few class, it will be not a problem, but after a month or so, you'll be like, what is happening? I just don't understand. So
then you will start losing the interest as well.
Yeah, so just be regular and you'll be totally okay, because every teacher have a style, whichever teacher you study with. Okay, but if you are not regular, even a great teacher cannot teach you so well.
Yeah, and this is you have to help yourself in this kind of situation. Yeah. And viewers, if you're watching this, check out our website, which is letsupdate.in, where you can see the curriculum and you can even see our essential program, which is free on YouTube.
Thanks a lot.
All right, sir. Thank you.